Welcome back. In today's video, we'll explore one of the most useful Python modules, the datetime module. It helps us work with dates, time, and time intervals, things like timestamps, scheduling, and logs. So to import the module, we have to use like from datetime, import date, comma datetime, and timedelta. These classes allow you to create and manipulate both date and time objects. Each one serves a specific purpose. Date for calendar dates, time for clock values, date time for combined data, and time delta for differences. Working with date objects. The date class represents just the date, year, month, and day. You can get today's date using date.today. Working with time objects. The time class handles hours, minutes, seconds, and microseconds, but not the days. It's perfect when you only want to need a clock time, such as setting alarms or scheduling daily events. Working with date time objects. The date time class combines both date and time into a single object. You can get the current timestamp using from date time import date time. You can also create your own date time values, formatting dates and time. When you want to display dates nicely, use strftime to format them as readable strings. Passing strings into dates. To convert a string into a datetime object, use strptime. They're super useful when you are reading timestamps from text files using input or logs. Time data, date arithmetic. The time delta class allows you to perform date arithmetic, adding or subtracting dates, hours, and minutes. This is great for calculating deadlines, expiration dates, and reminders. Working with time zones. So since Python 3.9, we can use zoneinfo from time zone support. This makes it easy to work with global timestamps, especially for apps and web servers. So common uses are timestamps for logging and events, scheduling and reminders, comparing or sorting the dates, calculating expiring times and ages. Key takeaways. Like use date time to handle both dates and time. Format and pass using strf time and strp time. Use time delta for date arithmetic. Use zone info for time zone aware programs. Thanks for watching this video.